Let's fix if your microphone is not working on your iPhone. Now, if you're trying to use your microphone either to talk on a call or to record a video, maybe something in Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok, whatever it may be, I'm going to show you how to get it fixed. Now, if you swipe down from the top right here, you can see at the top there is no microphone option there. I'll show you where it does show up after I go into an app. But the first thing that we'll do is we'll tap on Settings, and we'll scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. And then you can see microphone midway down. So let's tap on that. On this list, you want to make sure that the microphone is enabled for whatever app you're trying to use. So for instance, if you're in Instagram and you have that toggled off, it won't be able to use your microphone. It doesn't have permission to do so. So go in here and toggle it back on for any of these apps that you might want to use your microphone on. Now the next step is let's go into Instagram here and swipe to the right. So this brings up the camera, and now if I swipe down from the top right, you can see at the top right it says mic mode is off. So what I will do is record a quick video here. As I'm recording, I can stop that and then again swipe down from the top right, and you can see now mic mode is on standard. I can tap that and I can choose standard, voice isolation, or wide spectrum, depending on what I want to use. Depending on which of these microphone features you choose, depending if you're on standard, wide spectrum, potentially they can't hear your voice. So if you choose voice isolation, that helps to have the other person hear your voice. This is the same thing if you're on any kind of call or FaceTime call or anything like that. You might want to switch it to this voice isolation to help it to access your microphone. Now the last thing is your microphone is at the very bottom here, so you can see all of these little dots. One of those is for your microphone. So I recommend taking your case off and just getting a little toothpick or something like that and cleaning out this little area, making sure there's no physical obstruction for the microphone at the very bottom of your phone. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.